Hey everyone, need a quick and easy way to capture screenshots on your Windows computer? ShareX is one of the most powerful free screenshot tools available, offering everything from full screen captures to scrolling screenshots. In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to take screenshots with ShareX step by step, so let's get started. First, open ShareX from the Windows Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Once it opens, you'll see the main dashboard with several capture options and settings ready to use. Now click the Capture menu. Here you'll find several screenshot modes, including full screen, active window, region, monitor, and scrolling capture. Yeah, each option is designed for a different type of screenshot. To capture only part of your screen, choose region. Your screen will dim, allowing you to click and drag over the area you want to capture. Once you release the mouse button, ShareX immediately saves the screenshot. If you want to capture everything on your display, choose full screen. To capture only one application, select Active Window and click the window you want to save. These options are much faster than cropping screenshots later. After each capture, ShareX automatically saves the screenshot to your default screenshots folder. A notification usually appears, and you can also access recent captures directly from the ShareX main window. If you'd like to personalize how screenshots work, open Application Settings or Task Settings. Here you can change the save location, image format, file naming, hotkeys, and many other options. The default settings work well, but customizing them can speed up your workflow, and that's how to take screenshots with ShareX. Whether you need a quick screen capture or a more advanced screenshot, ShareX gives you plenty of powerful tools completely free. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.